Hi, I'm David Kidd, National Sales Manager with Presta Products. Look, we understand body shops get paid to paint cars, not buff cars. So we developed a process to make buffing as fast and as easy as possible. So in this video, we're going to use the PACE compounds along with an orbital polisher to remove nib marks. Orbital polishers and PACE compounds and pads can quickly remove nib sanding marks. Let me show you how. To apply this system, you'll need the following: PACE heavy cut compound, medium cut compound, PACE purple foamed wool pad, gray foam pad, orange medium pad, and orbital buffer. And there are two options for best results. Here I have a forced throw buffer and a 15mm free throw buffer. This demo, I'll be using a forced throw buffer. PACE compounds and PACE pads along with an orbital can easily remove 1500, 2000 and higher sand nib scratches. In this case, I'll be removing a 1500 sand scratch. Apply 4 drops of PACE heavy cut compound to the purple wool pad. Set your orbital buffer speed between a 5 and 6 RPM setting. PACE has the option of 2 different heavy cut pads. The purple foamed wool offers maximum cutting speed, while the gray foam pad is intended to correct clear coats that are softer in nature. In this case, I'll be using the purple foamed wool pad. Move the orbital slowly back and forth with an overlap of 60%. Be sure to move slowly, giving ample time to remove the scratch. 2 or 3 passes over the span of 15 to 30 seconds should be adequate. After this buffing step, wipe the surface with a microfiber to inspect the work area. When removing scratches, especially on a darker colored vehicle, it may require a quick second step to remove minor pad scratches created from the first step. In this case, I'll use the PACE medium cut orange pad. This pad, along with PACE medium cut compound, will quickly remove any pad scratches from the finish, leaving behind a beautiful final swirl-free finish. Apply 4 small drops of PACE medium cut compound directly to the pad. Run the orbital at a slower 4 RPM setting. Once again, be sure to move slowly back and forth over the work area, giving ample time to remove the pad scratches with an overlap of 60%. Once the compound is broken down and scratches removed, wipe the panel clean with a fresh microfiber towel to reveal a mirror finish. Presta PACE compounds and pads offer the ability to correct sanding marks and painting imperfections with great speed and ease of use. The combination of PACE compounds and PACE pads to correct either small sanding or larger sanded areas, along with these various methods, greatly speed up the process. Our goal at Presta is always to help you achieve the fastest and easiest correction with swirl-free results every time, so you can get more beautifully painted cars out the door. For more information on Presta products, check out our other videos.